R53 mini fog light, and I'm converting this to an air brake duct. And this is the second one I've done. You have to break this glass, it's real glass, and I just beat on it really hard with this. So I thought it'd be impressive if I just took a video of this so you can see how robust this glass is. I'm not sure if it's gonna move or not. I only got one hand here. Okay, I had to set the phone up so I can hold this thing. Here we go again. Just saw a spark. Another spark. I mean, that is some very hard glass. I'm not. Let me try a sharp one. You got a pointy one. It's not that heavy though. Let's see. Dang. That is something else. All right, well anyway, kudos to Mini for a robust fog light glass.